Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that has carved out a loyal following thanks to its sporty styling, refined handling, and upscale interior. And for 2026, Mazda has taken things even further, pushing the boundaries in tech, comfort, and efficiency while staying true to its signature driving dynamics. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 brings a bold redesign that's hard to ignore. The front grille is now wider and more aggressive, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that give the SUV a sleeker, more premium look. The profile remains smooth and elegant, with a slightly longer hood and refined character lines. At the rear, new taillight designs and a more sculpted bumper give it a modern edge that stands out in any crowd. Under the hood, Mazda offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine producing 187 horsepower, while the higher trims get the turbocharged version delivering up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel. Both are paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and available in front-wheel drive or Mazda's advanced i-Active all-wheel drive system. What truly sets the 2026 CX-5 apart is the way it drives. Mazda continues to emphasize the Jinba Itai philosophy, the idea of driver and car as one, and you can feel it in every turn. The steering is precise, the suspension is perfectly tuned for a balance between comfort and sportiness, and even on twisty roads, it feels confident and connected. Inside, Mazda has raised the bar with a more refined and driver-focused cabin. Premium materials are used throughout, from soft touch surfaces to real leather upholstery in the upper trims. The new infotainment system is now displayed on a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, finally incorporating touch functionality, something long requested by Mazda fans. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the new UI is snappier and easier to navigate. Passenger comfort is also a big win in the 2026 CX-5. The front seats offer great support for long drives, and the rear seats now provide more legroom thanks to a slightly stretched wheelbase. Cargo space is generous, with up to 59.3 cubic feet available with the rear seats folded down, making it practical for families, road trips, or weekend adventures. Mazda has also stepped up in the tech and safety department. Every 2026 CX-5 comes standard with Mazda's i-Active Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The top trims even add a 360-degree camera, traffic jam assist, and a head-up display, features usually found in luxury SUVs. One of the biggest highlights this year is the introduction of a mild hybrid variant in select markets. It uses a 48-volt system to improve fuel efficiency and provide a little extra torque during acceleration. While it's not a full hybrid, it's a step forward for Mazda's sustainability goals and a great option for buyers who want more efficiency without sacrificing performance. Fuel economy is competitive, with the base engine averaging around 27 mpg combined, and the turbo version slightly less at 24 mpg combined. The mild hybrid version offers up to 30 mpg combined, which is impressive for a vehicle with this level of performance and features. Now let's talk about pricing. The expected starting price for the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is around $29,500 for the base model. The turbocharged trims are expected to start at approximately $36,000, and the top signature or premium plus trims could go up to $41,000, depending on features and optional packages. Mazda has kept pricing competitive while delivering premium-level refinement and features. For those wondering about trims, Mazda continues its simple and elegant lineup structure, with trims like S Select, S Preferred, S Premium, and Turbo Signature making a return. Each trim offers a balanced upgrade in tech, performance, or luxury, giving buyers flexibility based on their needs and budget. If you're in the market for a stylish, safe, fun-to-drive compact SUV with upscale touches and a reputation for reliability, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 should be high on your list. It bridges the gap between mainstream and luxury SUVs without the luxury price tag, offering exceptional value in today's competitive market. That's it for our deep dive into the 2026 Mazda CX-5. What do you think of Mazda's latest upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Automotive World. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.